Yo, what up, YouTube? So, today I gotta go hit Harbor Freight. They have a toolbox on sale I was looking at. It was like $90-ish. I gotta get one, don't have one. And then after that, gotta come back, switch the wheels on my shell. I had sold to my boy, so he shot me donks and some gas. So, let's get this day started.
Silverado levantada, un Range Rover. En Modesto se la pasa, es su casa, tiene raza, no se raja. Su carnala fue su madre, pura lata, pa' tu hermana, cosas cambian.
Can't have it in stock. They said probably Monday. Can take a. Well, if they don't have it Monday, then they said that they'll have it in a week or two. But I'm pretty sure they won't have it for another week or two. But lucked out, so let's go see. I got to go pick up some fenders off one of my boys I got. So let's go pick those up.
Padre trabajando pa' comer, yo de niño desmadroso. Por la cosa del dar, en una mantarraya, un buen blonte para relajar. Un 70 de Don Julio, e hice espes pa' brindar, pa' disfrutar. El nombre de tarea se los dejaré, ando bien.
Alright guys, so I got a bumper and then I got the fenders. I'll show you guys better, a little bit better when I get home. So let's get back to the road. So this is the bumper I picked up and fenders. About $40. Winning. What up guys? So I received a couple packages today. I wasn't expecting them coming today, but so hey, better than nothing, you know. So Eliminate was doing the BRs or the FRS giveaway. So I entered that. I just got a sticker. It was $5 per entry or something like that. And then I got a carbon fiber, bezel. Pretty nice. For the block off plate for the radio. And they also sent me it looks like a EK hatch shape. Looks pretty good. And I also ordered some things from VMS. Ordered some spikes for the valve cover. Pretty good. And then like they have a little washer, it's pretty dope. So yeah, so I'm gonna install these today and let's go. What up, YouTube? What up? So, we're gonna do some little cinematics, some shots of my boy's GP3 right here that he just picked up the other day. So, we're gonna see. It's kind of dirty, but I'm still new to this. So, we'll see how good I can get him.